walking the birds. The birds come up to this bird feeder right here. Really close. There's 2 of them. He is steady staring. Kitty. Kitty, lucky boy. Where's the kitty? There's the pretty pretties. You keeping an eye on them? Where'd they go? You still see them? Where's the kitty? I don't see any birdies in the tree out there. I think they're gone. I put the bird feeder there so I can take pictures of birds, but it never works out. I never get pictures of the birds that close. Like, yeah. I don't think they're gone.
Have them up, dressed, fed, out the door by 6:30 in the morning, so it is nice. And that's one of the only reasons that I don't push him to get out and do something with himself. Yeah. You know what I mean? Maybe that's a little selfish of me, but when he gets, you know, entitled, I'm like, dude, if you don't know the rules, you know where the door is. You think you're gonna turn my life upside down, but I've been around this long. I've paid daycare before. I can figure it out again. I will. It'd be a little difficult. We're in a different school district. It's not like I could be like, hey,
I remember when I could climb underneath the bench like that.
they go to a different school. The bus doesn't come over here.
I can't make it under the bench anymore.
Out our way, but I could do it.
It shows you how old I am.
Daycare providers at the bus stops all the time. It's just a matter of
Had that table, well, the bench for a while.
you do say
Since I was a kid. Since I was in elementary school, I had that bench. What in the world? Is this like a jungle gym?
Okay, calm down. Yeah, baby.
I can remember when I used to fit under there.
Yeah, they're all gone. More? How about if we give some to
And Mickey, did you share with Mickey?
give some to Mimi.
She's trying to eat her snack. Did you eat some of hers?
No,
I just didn't think.
I feel the same way. That's how I feel. Then I have to go to work. I just want to stay home and sleep. I'm like, yes, I'm feeling a little tired. Even Barney knows I'm feeling a little tired and grouchy, so I gotta take a nap.
Oh, good.
I gotta call work and tell them I need to stay
Grandma's
home
new
because I need a nap.
prescription for her blood pressure.
It's a piggy.
I like pigs.
That's a car jump.
Come on. What do you want? You need a washcloth?
A waffle? What?
Hey, Mia.
Need a
come
walk.
here. I'm coming to see what you're talking about.
Need a Red Bull. What? Oh, Rubble.
Yeah, her things.
No, it's not a Rubble.
Rebel, okay.
It sounded like she said Red Bull. I was like, who's giving her a Red Bull?
There's one puppy missing and Ryder missing. I have no idea. Oh, mercy. Rebel.
Oh, that was funny.
There you go.
All right, let's go. I think here. There's still 2 missing.
How to get my Paw Patrol at home. No
Does she want a Whopper or no Red Bull? Here, I have to get over here. I haven't been able to get out yet.
Look,
I'm gonna say, who in the world's giving you a Red Bull?
I catch.
Ryder.
The catch.
Likely in there.
They're already open.
Got it open?
Uh-huh.
That's your Paw Patrols. That's your puppies.
And that's my puppies. Where'd you get them from? I'm in a...
There's Rebel.
I'll get them. Okay. No, what flopper did this here? No.
This is a present from Melissa and me to you
And Miss Ann.
and Miss Ann. Go ahead and open it.
The light's a little bright. But
It's Anna and Elsa. It's Anna and Elsa.
Anna and Elsa.
Yep.
What do you say?
oh, that was adorable.
You're welcome.
Yeah, but
It's
the other doll Elsa keeps putting her shoes off.
Oh, her shoes keep falling off.
Yeah, her shoes keep falling off.
Oh, wow. But there's an Anna and an Elsa doll for you.
Oh, wow.
That's what we kept going.
You brought those from
Trying to
home?
get-
I didn't see them.
No.
Huh?
No.
Those are the ones we got from Facebook. You were sleeping. You really,
Where we-
didn't
we-
really.
Went a couple times to pick them up and
Yeah,
they
okay.
And
didn't get
yeah,
it.
it's
And then,
from. It's
I
from
didn't know
there.
that's what you went to get. I wasn't sure
Yeah.
what you went to get.
yeah.
Aww.
Oh, you're welcome, sweetheart. Mwah.
That was cute.
Tell
You gotta give
Sissa.
Melissa a big hug for that.
We'll give Sissa a hug for that.
What are you doing over there, kitty kitty? Did you hear something? I have no idea. I don't know what's going on with the bird. Going nuts up there. Tweet! Aw, the little birdie knows his name. Hmm? Lucky. Kitty, 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 kitty. You know that's your brother. That's your little big brother up there. You can't eat him. And you can't have him. Yeah, tell him to eat. So you can't eat me. I'm family. You can't have him. Kitty, 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 kitty. Aw, kitty maw. Oh, you better run. You better hide, kitty, kitty. I don't know, but you look creepy and this phone is blurry. The video is blurry.